Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Today, I'll be showing you how to delete attachments in Gmail. So guys, in order for you to proceed with this process, of course, first thing that you will do is open up your Chrome. And once you are here, just make sure to go to google.com and make sure you are signed in into your account. And once you have done all of that, here on the Google with your account signed in, you can just simply go directly to the Gmail over here on the top right corner. Now, once you have done that, it will redirect you to your inboxes. So pretty much from here, we could utilize the search bar at the top and we could filter out which email has an attachment. So to do that, you could just simply go for has and then go ahead and go for double colon. And from here, go for attachment and select enter. And from here, pretty much you should be able to see all of your email that have an attachment over here. So pretty much you can just simply select one of them in order for you to delete, or you can just select multiple depending on what you want. And from here, you can just simply go ahead and right click on them and you should be able to see here delete. So go ahead and select delete. And once you have deleted it, it will be permanently deleted after 30 days. But if you want to free up some space, you would just simply go ahead and go to the delete tab. You would just simply select more over here, as you can see on the left side, and you should be able to see your trash. And here on the trash, you should be able to see your email that you deleted. So in order for you to permanently delete it, you would just simply select all of them and select delete forever over here, as you can see. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.